There's a lot of discussion about crypto and the macroeconomics right now and what's going to happen. I'm listening to crypto people. I'm listening to stock people. I'm listening to bond people. I'm listening to bulls. I'm listening to bears. And I'm trying to get a grip on where the market is, because the market is people. It is their mentality. It is their psychology as a whole, right? So when I'm listening, I could tell about a week ago that people were starting to feel a little bit, at least more short-term bullish, and that is what happened. That the sentiment is the word, made things go up because that inflation number came in. People are like, all right, this is peak inflation, blah, 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 blah. This is a really good bottom. It can't get much worse. That was, I swear to God, that's kind of the thought they had. And now we've come up. And actually, I do think we're probably going to come up a bit more in this rally, not financial advice, just my opinion in the crypto markets. And when I'm listening to everybody, now they're starting to cool down a bit because we've had a nice little rally here in crypto and stocks. And people are starting to kind of sober up a little bit and think, okay, well, will this continue? We still have more stuff coming out. Is it priced in? Is it not priced in? Is there going to be black swan events? So there's just this whole back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and that is the truth. In my opinion, I still think we have further down to go. We may have a nice run here. Probably, my best guess is that it's a bull trap. Again, not financial advice, these are my opinions. But I think we're in a bit of a bull trap right now. I think a lot of people are going to use this as exit liquidity. We have the FOMC, the Fed meeting next week. They will announce their official interest rate hike. That will be on July 27th. The date after that, July 28th, is the GDP announcement, the gross domestic product. If that is a negative number, we are technically in a recession. If it is 0 or above, we can't confirm a recession. The thing that's really interesting about this one that I'm sure you've heard about is that even though economic growth seems to be slowing, because that's how you gauge bull market, bear market, economic growth, economic recession, right? That's what recession means, economic recession, down below 0. So is the job market, because unemployment is really low. It's like 3.6%. I do think I do think that number is going to tick up because you see these big companies announcing slowdowns and layoffs, right? You got Redfin, you got Zillow, you got Apple, you got Microsoft, you got Netflix, you got Tesla, and the list goes on. Even the job reports is showing growth, and I'm like, that's going to change. And I don't know how much of that is priced in. Okay, I don't know how much of that is priced in. If the unemployment number starts raising, I do not know how much of that is priced in. I think that, to me, that's one of the biggest wild cards right now. Hit that like button, follow, all that good stuff. Share this too. You're awesome. I'll be going live today at noon Pacific Standard Time.